Welcome to the ultimate puzzle adventure, explorers. Let's zoom along the beach with our brave police car friend.
Whoa, look out! Is that a monster police car? It's super grumpy. Zoom, zoom.
Oh no, those sparks mean trouble. Can you help our brave police car stay safe? Tap the screen to help him. Zap! Merge together. Did they just become one super vehicle? That is one cool trick.
Magic is in the air. Look, the Grim Reaper is using his powers to take the monster car apart. Abracadabra.
It's building time. Let's count down together. 3, 2, 1. Let's find the missing parts.
3, 2, 1, go!
Hot dog! Mickey Mouse is here to help us finish this puzzle. Great job spotting that piece, everyone.
Boom! Fireworks everywhere. SpongeBob and Squidward are joining the party. You did it, Puzzle Masters. See you next time.
Hey there, puzzle explorers! Buckle up for a high-speed adventure with our colorful vehicle friends. Vroom vroom!
Whoa, look at those shadows. Is that a super fast race bike? I think it's a giant tricycle.
Haha, not quite. It's our brave police motorcycle. Let's find the matching parts to help him get ready for duty. Can you spot the round wheel? Point your finger at the screen and help us drag it to the shadow. Click! That wheel fits perfectly. Now let's count how many sirens we need to attach. 1, 2.
I found the siren. It goes right on top to help him zoom through traffic. Beep, beep.
We are almost done, team. Just a few more bolts, and the brave police motorcycle will be ready to roll. 3, 2, 1. Snap it into place. Great teamwork, everyone.
Ta-da! Look at that shine. Our police hero is looking sharp and ready for action. Boom! Confetti party time.
You all did amazing today. Give yourselves a huge high five. See you next time for more puzzle fun. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Today, our mighty truck and hard-working digger are ready for a shadow matching challenge.
Whoa! Did you see that? The truck just turned into a surprise gift box. Kapow!
Our digger is looking for the right pieces to fit the silhouette. But look who joined us. A friendly puppy. Can you help the digger find the missing part?
Oh no, that piece doesn't fit. Even the crying man meme is feeling a bit sad about that mistake.
Don't worry, keep trying. Which shape do you think fits the outline? Point your finger at the correct piece on your screen. Is it the wheel? Yes, click it into place. Vroom vroom. It's finally starting to look like our hard-working digger again. Magic sparkle finish. You did it. Our puzzle is complete, and even the Cat King is impressed by your super smart skills.
That was legendary. Hit that subscribe button and join us for the next big puzzle adventure.
Welcome, Puzzles Explorers! Get ready for a super fun vehicle matching adventure! Look at these amazing trucks! A blue truck, a yellow dump truck, and a jolly garbage truck are here to play. Vroom vroom!
I bet the cat wants to go for a ride. Will you help us match these silhouettes to our truck friends?
Great idea! See all these scattered parts? Let's point at the screen. join and help these trucks get their wheels back. Grab that big yellow piece. Does it fit in the dump truck silhouette? Click! It's a perfect match.
Oh, maybe the blue truck needs this square piece? Wait, that's not right! Try the other one, friends!
Nope.
You found the spot! Look at those green check marks appearing. We are doing fantastic work today.
No.
Just one more wheel to go. 3.
Yay!
2.
Nice.
1. Pop it right in there. Beep beep.
Nope.
The trucks are almost ready to roll. Ta-da! You did it, superstars. Our trucks are fully assembled and looking shiny and new. Thanks for helping us build today. You're all puzzle heroes. Vroom, vroom. Welcome everyone to our Super Duper Monster Truck Puzzle Challenge. Are you ready to play? Look at those engines roar! Which one is your favorite?
Whoa! Did you see that explosion? Boom! Everything disappeared.
Oh no, don't cry! We can solve this together! Let's find the missing shadows. I see the princess truck. Where does her shape hide? 3, 2, 1, match it!
Go!
Wait, is that a cat? Cats don't drive monster trucks, silly!
Yay! The green crocodile truck is home. Let's dance just like our friend in red. Focus now. Can you spot the purple wolf truck's shadow?
Click! Perfect fit! Look at that happy dance, you are doing great!
You found them all! You are a master puzzle solver, superstar! The green aliens are partying because you won! Thanks for playing! See you next time! Hey there, puzzle explorers! Are you ready to help our vehicle friends get back on the road? Zoom!
Oh no! Where did their colors go? They look so sad and empty! Sniffle!
Don't worry, friend. We have our magic paint rollers ready. Can you say ready? 1, 2, 3! with the ambulance. I bet it's going to be bright, happy white. Swish, swish, swish.
Is the police motorcycle next? Maybe it's going to be a super cool blue.
Yay!
Look at that brave police car getting its paint job. You're doing a fantastic job helping us finish these, team.
Yay!
Boom! They look brand new. You guys are absolute puzzle masters. Give yourselves a big high five.
That was amazing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun adventures. See you next time.
Welcome, puzzle explorers. Are you ready to match some super cool fire trucks? Whoa! Look at all these shiny heroic fire trucks lining up. They are so bright and red.
Is that Leonardo DiCaprio? He looks as surprised as I am by these awesome trucks.
Now, can you spot the right shadow for our heroic fire truck? Look closely at the shapes.
3, 2,
Clock is ticking. 2, 1. Let's get matching, team.
Slide that big ladder truck into its shadow. Click! Perfect fit!
yay!
Vroom! Our heroic fire truck is ready for duty. You're doing a fantastic job. Keep going.
No, God!
Is that a heavy-duty pump truck? Yes! Drag it over to the empty spot.
What?
Only one more piece left to place. You've got this, superstars.
Boom! You did it! The grid is full, and our heroes are ready. Let's dance to celebrate your victory.
Vroom, vroom. Buckle up, puzzle explorers, because today we are racing into a super speedy shadow matching adventure.
Whoa! Look at those monster trucks! Are they here to race or to play hide and seek with us?
She went to shot. Oh, DD. Oh, what it is? Oh, DD.
Great observation. Those are silhouettes, and we need to find the right parts to make our monster truck friends whole again.
Uh-oh, the cat is confused. Let's help out. 3, 2, 1, go Puzzle Masters!
Go!
Awesome job! You matched that green monster truck perfectly.
Nope.
High five to everyone who spotted it.
Nice.
Wow, did you hear that ting sound? That means the blue and yellow trucks are back in action.
Keep going. Can you point to the red truck's missing piece on your screen? There it is. Snap it into place.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
We did it! All our monster truck friends are ready to roll. You guys are total puzzle pros. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun. Hello, puzzle explorers. explorers! Are you ready? To discover some amazing machines in the big, beautiful forest today.
Whoa! Look at that bright orange machine go! Is that a giant lawnmower? We'll stay.
Not quite silly. That is our hard-working digger. It uses its strong arm to clear the way. Vroom, vroom! Now watch the yellow log loader. Can you count the logs it grabs? 1, 2, 3.
Clink, clunk! It is loading everything onto the mighty truck. Such a great team, right?
Exactly! They are working together to get the job done. Give yourselves a big high five, everyone!
Beep beep! Off they go! You all did a fantastic...
Hey, puzzle explorers, ready to help our heroic fire truck zoom into action? Let's go!
Whoa! A kitty cat and a mysterious black hole. Is the truck going to disappear? Beep beep!
Don't worry, it's just a super-powered repair station. Watch those sparks fly. Whoosh!
What?
Hey, look! A puppy joined the crew to help us find the missing engine parts.
I bet the dog wants to drive the truck. Can dogs drive? No way.
Haha, not quite. The cat and dog are just our expert mechanics helping us assemble the ladder. Look at all these shiny trucks. Can you point to the one with the biggest water tank? Time to match. Drag that red bumper right onto the frame. Click! Perfect connection.
You're a genius. That wheel fits like a glove. Vroom vroom, we are almost ready.
Final polish. Let's count the trucks together. 1, 3 heroic fire trucks ready for duty. We did it! The trucks are ready, the dancers are out, and you are officially a master puzzle solver. Great job, everyone! Hey there, little drivers! Welcome to the racetrack where our brave police car buddy is ready for action. Vroom, vroom!
Whoa, look at all these police cars. Wait, are they missing their wheels? Maybe they rolled away for a nap.
Not quite silly! They are waiting for us to solve the puzzle. Can you help us find the right parts? The lights are flashing. 3, 2, 1, go! Let's match those silhouettes to our police friends.
I'm going to put this square piece on the front. Wait, that's not right, is it? It's just a funny block.
Nice try, but let's look for the smooth hood instead. Click. Perfect fit. You did it. High five, everyone. Point at the screen and give our police car a big thumbs up for being so helpful. amazing today. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun. See you next time. Hello, Puzzle Pals. Welcome to our big construction adventure. Let's get to work.
Vroom vroom! Look at that bright yellow loader clearing the path. It's so strong.
Our hardworking digger is busy loading logs into the dump truck. Can you count the logs with me?
Whoa, magic! Did you see that forest turn into a cozy mushroom house? Abracadabra!
That yellow steamroller is so important. It flattens the ground to make everything nice and smooth for our new home. Look, the excavator is planting an apple tree. I bet it will grow the yummiest apples ever. We did it! The fence is up and the house looks perfect. You guys are the best builders ever! Great job today! Hey there, puzzle explorers! Welcome to our big construction party. Can you spot our heavy-duty friends?
Oh no, they're turning into shadows. Are they hiding from us or playing a game of peekaboo?
Don't worry, they're just getting a sweet honey makeover. Let's help put our hardworking digger and mighty dump truck back together.
Think the wheels go on the roof. Am I right? Wait, no? Okay, let's put them on the bottom.
That's it! Every chassis needs a sturdy set of wheels to roll. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4! Here comes the crane arm. Click! It fits perfectly. This truck is going to be super strong now.
Almost there. Snap the dump bed into place. Vroom vroom, I can hear the engine starting to purr.
Look at them glow! They are so happy to be complete again. You did an amazing job, team! Fantastic work, everyone! Our construction crew is ready for action. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more puzzle fun. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Are you ready to build some amazing construction machines today? Is that a road roller? Let's see if it fits the mystery shape.
Nope, not that one. Bummer, let's keep looking.
Maybe this big dump truck is the one. Oh, the no sign says try again.
Watch out! Here comes the forklift with a heavy crate. Beep!
Not quite. That forklift is for warehouses, not our puzzle today. Look at that bulldozer. Is it our winner? Oh, still not it. Wait, the pieces are flying in. Click, clack, zoom. Let's build this mighty bulldozer.
Ta-da! Our strong bulldozer friend is ready to move some dirt. Vroom vroom!
No, 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 no. Oh my God!
Next up, our helpful dump truck. Let's snap these parts together. 1, 2, 3, go!
No, no, no!
Now, now for the road roller. Round and round it goes, flattening the ground perfectly. Last but not least, the forklift. Look at those sharp lifting forks go up and down.
Oh my God!
We did it! All our construction buddies are here to celebrate. You kids are absolute puzzle masters. High five, everyone.
You know what happened with the D-R-E?
Hey everyone, welcome to the Puzzle Garage. Can you count our brave police motorcycles with me? 1, 2, 3. Vroom vroom.
Oh no, watch out! Boom! Everything went boom! Did the motorcycle turn into a ghost?
Not a ghost, silly. It's just a silhouette waiting for a fix. Look, our friend the yellow tractor is here to help clear the road. Time to be master mechanics. Can you spot the matching parts for our police hero? Point at your screen.
I'll grab the wrench. Click clack. Let's tighten those bolts. Is it fitting perfectly yet?
Great job. Now use the screwdriver to secure the side panel. You're doing amazing, little engineers. Ta-da! Our police motorcycle is ready for duty. Look at that confetti. It's a party. Yay!
Let's build another one. Grab the hammer. Tap, tap, tap. Can you help me finish this second brave motorcycle?
You are so fast at this. One more click and boom! Another shiny police bike is ready to patrol the streets. Look at them go! Both police bikes are zooming together. You did such a fantastic job today, Puzzle Masters. High five, everyone! Welcome, Puzzle Explorers. Today, we are meeting 3 super cool police vehicles on a mission.
Whoa! Everything turned into shadows. And look, a sneaky cat is hiding in the corner.
Time to be detectives. Point your finger at the screen and help me pick the right part.
Uh-oh, that didn't fit. Even Kevin Hart is surprised by that one. Try again.
Click! You did it! The brave police car is ready for duty.
Number 1. The Ford
Vroom,
Explorer
vroom.
Interceptor Utility. The Ford Explorer Police Interceptor is one of the most popular police vehicles in the United States. That's because it offers a blend of performance, durability, and versatility that meets the diverse needs of law enforcement agencies across the nation. Under the hood, the Ford Explorer Police Interceptor comes with powerful engine options, including a standard 3.3-liter hybrid producing 318 horsepower and an available 3-liter EcoBoost V6, making 400 horsepower to deliver enough power for high-speed pursuit driving.
2 more to go. Can you spot the piece for the big SWAT vehicle?
No.
Fantastic teamwork! That SWAT truck looks mighty and strong, ready to keep everyone
Police
safe.
vehicles in the United States are specialized automobiles used by law enforcement agencies for patrolling jurisdictions, responding to emergencies, and enforcing laws. These cars are easily recognizable by their distinct markings, sirens, and flashing lights. It is no secret American police cars are designed for high performance, with modifications that allow for faster speeds, durability, and the ability to carry essential law enforcement equipment like radios, computers, and weapons. While these American police vehicles often vary in design and size depending on the needs of the department, their primary function remains supporting public safety and enabling officers to respond.
Wow! We finished the whole board! Let's clap our hands for a job well done!
No.
Police in
Look
the
at
United
them
States
go.
prefer using the Lenco
You are a
Bearcat,
master
which is a tactical
puzzle
armored
solver.
vehicle for operations in
Superstar.
extreme conditions.
See you next
Its
time
primary
for
use
more
includes transporting
fun.
tactical officers to and from hostile situations and to assist with the protection and recovery of civilians in harm. System, increased ground clearance, off-road wheel, and run-flat tires. The 6.7-litre turbo diesel V8 engine making 440 horsepower is the armored vehicle's standard. Depending on where the police operate.
Aside from having a reinforced body and chassis for enhanced protection during high-risk situations, the Caprice included a heavy-duty suspension system for increased stability on all types of roads. Despite being a sedan, the Chevrolet Caprice Police Patrol vehicle comfortably fits 2 police officers in the front and 3 criminals at the back, while still leaving more room for police equipment. Specialized features in the car included 2 trunk-mounted batteries for powering various police equipment, along with a driver information center with a selectable speed